Money, money, money. It's easy to spend and even harder to make. If only you could find a free money making app that could pay you every single day. Oh, wait. I just found one for you. In this video, I'm gonna show you this new money making app that pays out over $1,000 every single day. And I'm gonna show you exactly how it works. Hello and welcome to the Money Kings, where we provide new videos about how to make the most money from your phone or a laptop in the comfort of your home. Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you will never miss out on any of the tips or tricks we have to show you about all the awesome and legit ways to make money online. The app that I will show you today can pay you directly to your PayPal account. I tried using it for only a day and I was able to cash out $15. After you do the work, they will immediately send you the money straight to your PayPal account in just a couple of days. It's really amazing how this app works, and there are many ways to earn money inside the app. They have quite a few cash bonuses. As you can see right here, they give $3 cash bonus, $8 and up to 20 cash bonuses just for using this app. They also have quite a few prize pools that you can totally participate in and earn real money. The prize pools range from $5 and all the way up to over $90. Imagine cashing out all this money here. What would you spend it on? A new phone? A trip to Bali? Whatever the case is, there is a lot of money to be made with this app. No more wasting time using apps that won't pay you a single cent. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how to generate earnings just like this and withdraw from your account as well. The app is super easy to use and it's currently working in many different countries in the world. And you can download it whether you're using an Android or iOS device. Just like what we promise here at Money Kings, we will teach you the most profitable way to earn with less effort. So don't miss out on this chance. But just before we get into the video, I want you to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe if you want to stay updated with the new ways to make money online. Alright, so the name of the app we're talking about in this video is called Solitaire Clash by Avia Games. So the first thing you have to do is to head over to pocket7games.com Solitaire Clash. As you can see right here, just type it into your Google browser or whatever and you will arrive at this page. And here is where you will be able to download the app onto your device. You can download it on your iPhone by clicking this button right here or on your Android device by clicking over here. It's a really simple app to use. And now I want to show you how I was able to earn this much and what you can do to see results and cash out on your first day using this app. Because trust me, it is a lot easier than you think. So, as soon as you've downloaded the Solitaire Clash game onto your device, this is what it will look like. On the top over here, you're gonna see your balance, which is how much money you have on your account. And you can click over here where it says deposit. So you can actually deposit money into your account. It's really easy to do this, and at some point, you might have to deposit money into your account, which will allow you to participate in as many games as you want. It literally takes only a few seconds to deposit money. And on top of that, it's secured and it's fast. Go ahead and play as many games as you want as soon as you deposit money. They're even gonna give you some bonus cash to enable you to play more games here. But remember, it is not real money, so bonus cash only allows you to participate in games inside the app. You cannot cash it out, unfortunately. And the primary way of making money inside their app is playing the games that they have in here. So I'm just gonna come to this section right here. You can see all the available prize pools that they have in here and how much it costs to play and participate these games. You can see that there are some games paying up to $190 here. But of course, these ones require the highest entry fees. The higher the entry fee, the more there is at stake to earn or lose. Because of course, you can lose money here if you do not win the game. And this is what playing the games here will look like. As soon as you click on, it is gonna find available users on the platform, and if you win the game, most of the cash comes to you and nothing goes to the loser. But if you lose, you might not win anything at all and you could lose all the money that you paid to join that game. And I know this might sound a bit scary if you're not really good at playing games, but you do not have to spend the money to actually play these games. We will teach you another trick on how you can absolutely earn money in this game for free without having to pay any money to join the prize pools. Just keep in mind that it takes quite a bit of time to do it this way, and you might have to play those small jam games to earn free gems, and when you have enough gems, you can click over here and use your gems to win up to $7 bonus cash without ever making a deposit. It's kind of the best workaround if you don't want to risk your own money. This is an example of the free gem games that they have in here. It's really easy to play. The bottom left shows how much gasoline I have, while the middle here shows how much it costs to roll the dice at the top of the screen. Here you can see all the 3 locations you can play from. They're San Francisco, Miami, and Anchorage. It costs about 5 per roll, but this one actually pays the most when it comes to prizes, which is why I'm going with this. And if you're lucky enough to win enough gems, then good for you. But I would recommend using the fastest route, which is the paid prize pools. There are some games in here which you have to pay to play, like what I showed you guys before. And this is absolutely normal because that is how the app generates money to pay the winners of these games. So they collect money from both players, and whoever wins the game takes all and splits the winnings with the app itself. But the Solitaire Clash app always tries to find the perfect opponents for you that will match your skill, so you never have to go up against someone who's way more skilled than you are, or vice versa. And this is what the gameplay here will look like. Sometimes all the players might not join the game immediately, and that's because the game will allow you to play your side of the game first, as it searches for opponents. I can end the game early if I can't find any more moves to play, and you should always end the game as soon as possible if you're out of moves, because the more time there is left, the more bonus points you will get. And that's a really great way to secure your winnings and not lose everything. As soon as the game is over, you can come over here to collect your winnings and check your match history and stuff. The interface is really user-friendly, so it's not difficult to understand how this app works. And after about an hour of playing these games, I was finally able to get my account back up to 18 and even go beyond the 20 on my account, as you can see right here. So with a little bit of time and dedication, anyone can get into this app and earn real money on your first day and even be able to cash out it all. Depends on how much time you spend here and how many games you actually participated in. To withdraw from your PayPal account, just click up here and click withdrawal. It is going to take you over to this page over here where you're going to request a withdrawal and have them send the money that you've earned to your PayPal account or to whatever payment option that you chose. Up here, you will be able to see the total amount that you're going to receive at the end of the day. And you might be confused why it's not the entire money. That's because $13 is from the bonus cash that the app gives you when you start using it. Remember that bonus cash is not real money. It's just a bonus that you're given inside the game, and you cannot withdraw this money into your account. So when you go and request a withdrawal, they're gonna show you how much you're gonna receive at the end of the day, and it does not include the bonus cash. So the $13 in bonus cash will be taken out of the total amount that they're gonna send to your PayPal. The whole thing is completely transparent, so you know what you will receive at the end of the day. They're gonna transfer the money straight to your PayPal account in a few days. They can even send you a check if you want. Under an hour, you earn $15 by playing games online. This is crazy. And you could even make more than this. Maybe you're much better at playing these games. Maybe you're a solitaire sensei or something like that, and you can smoke everyone in here with very little effort. You could be making a lot of money inside this app. And if that sounds like you, I hope you're not gonna waste the few minutes you've spent watching this video, so go out and try this today. This isn't the lottery, and it's not a get-rich-quick app. It's just a fun way to earn real money online by playing simple games, and I would really love to know how this goes for you and your experience with using this app. All right. That is it for today. Make sure you like this video if it gave you a new way to earn a little extra cash. Subscribe to Money Kings and we will keep you updated on the easiest way to earn money online from the comfort of your home, on the side, or for a little bit of fun money. Don't forget to click the notification bell as well so you can be the first to know. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.